Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy oatmeal raisin cookies. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Also, grab 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Don't forget half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats and 1 cup of raisins are essential. Now let's mix our dough to perfection. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until light and fluffy, about 2 minutes. Beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, then stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Finally, gently fold in the 2 cups of rolled oats and 1 cup of raisins. It's time to bake these delicious treats. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough about 2 inches apart onto the prepared baking sheet. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Do not overbake, as they will continue to cook slightly as they cool. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring. Your warm, chewy oatmeal raisin cookies are ready to enjoy. After cooling on the baking sheet, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. These delightful cookies are perfect for sharing with friends and family, or simply enjoying as a comforting treat. For optimal freshness, store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. They pair wonderfully with a cold glass of milk or a warm cup of tea. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.